నాకు ఆనందము. నీ వాక్యము నాకు ఆనందము, నా హృదికి ప్రమోదము. ప్రభు నీవు నా వాడవు, వినిపించుము నీ వాక్యము. నీ వాక్యము నాకు ఆనందము.
Situated in the heart of the beautiful city of Hyderabad, the college is privileged to have eminent well-wishers, supportive parents, qualified and enthusiastic teaching, not teaching, staff and vibrant students. The college comprises of degree and PG courses in commerce, mass communication and journalism, science, mathematics, computer science and management, where students not only from Hyderabad but also from districts and other states and foreign countries seek admission.
When I look back St. Joseph's College, I have a lot of nostalgical feelings in my mind. In the year 1981, I was asked to teach the young students who were about to be trained to become priests in the same place. It was a St. Joseph's Minor Seminary. Yes, that was the time people of Twin Cities, especially the Christian parents, were asking the Archbishop Saminene Arulappa to have a college which can offer commerce and arts. Then Archbishop decided to have a college in the year 1997, and it was inaugurated by Professor Kistaya, and that was the origin of St. Joseph's Degree and PG College.
Since its inception 14 years ago, the college has consistently raised the bar of quality education and overall personality development of its students. In 1997, the former home of a seminary opened as a college with 130 students. Since then, the college has been recognized as a center of learning and a reliable institution of career, launched for over 1,600 students. This is due to the determined vision, perseverance, and self-belief of Reverend Father Dr. V.K. Swami, the founder principal of the institution.
St. Joseph's Degree and PG College received permanent affiliation from Osmania University in the year 2007. I am glad to inform you that our college received autonomy in the year 2011 by University Grants Commission. Ours is the first self-financed college in Osmania University. This is the second year of autonomy in our college. Our college vision is to provide a distinct environment of excellence in education with human values and social commitment.
God our Father, we praise and thank you for your constant presence in our life. Because of your constant presence in our life, we are able to do everything according to your holy will. Help today all our faculty members, our staff, students and parents, so that with your help, we will be able to grow and mature and make this institution shine in the society, imparting the knowledge and wisdom to your children. This we ask in your precious name.
Good morning, Father and staff members. Welcome back to the academic year 2012 and 13.
The college has 71 well-qualified teaching staff with 5 doctorate scholars. The Department of Commerce has 22 faculty members. Department of Language with 9. Department of Mass Communication and Journalism with 4. Department of Mathematics and Science with 7. Department of Computer Science with 12. Department of Business Management with 16 faculty members.
Strive for excellence, serve the society. The another aspect in our best practices in teaching learning methodologies, as you all know very well, that our college got nearly 350 marks out of 400. Perhaps that was the reason that we got the A grade, which means I should congratulate our staff that they are very good in planning, organizing the study material and domain knowledge, and they execute the program in the classroom in such a way students are able to understand the lessons. And this year also, we expect our staff members to plan the unit program. At the same time, they should be able to use the ICT material in the classroom.
Human resources is important for every organization. That is the reason they employ human resources into the organization.
The science department has 3 fully equipped labs.
This is electronics lab. Here we perform experiments related to circuit analysis and also related to electronic device and circuits. In this laboratory, we have got different varieties of experiment of their interest. This is how we encourage all the fast learners, even the slow learners, we encourage them to perform experiments after class hours so that they can pick up the experiments slowly.
The college has informative libraries for UG and PG. These libraries have around 25,000 books and different national and international journals and magazines.
The college was accredited A grade with 3.51 CGPA by NAAC, that is National Assessment Accreditation Council, by UGC in the year 2008.
The college has a very convenient fee counter.
I am very happy to be associated with St. Joseph's College in this placement cell for over 10 years. I am also having a very good team with me which increase the employability of the students and increase their skill sets also for making the students suitable for multinationals and also nationals. This credit goes to our team also and to the management. The management encourages whatever actions we are taking in improving the quality of the employability skill of the students.
The college has an extended campus, which is a 5-minute walk from the main campus.
The Mass Communication Department was started in the year 2011, headed by Reverend Father Kingston SVD. The studio was inaugurated by His Grace Most Reverend Tummabala, the Archbishop of Hyderabad. The department has a good classroom with Mac i5 computers used for editing by students and also LCD projector for presentations. We have the state-of-art television production studio with inbuilt 4-input preview monitors with non-linear editing systems. We have well-equipped audio control room with Yamaha 01V96 mixer and Pro Tools 003 track. The department has got 3 Panasonic P2 cameras and a soundproof television production studio.